Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the topic of measurement. Now, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of determining the length, size and amount of a physical quantity. Okay, so how to find out what is the dimension of any object? Okay, so that is determined by measurement. Clear? Now, physical quantity has to be measured with respect to some fixed quantity. So this fixed quantity that we use to measure the physical quantity is called its unit. What do we call it? Unit. Clear? Now let us take some examples and then find out what is unit. So with an example we are going to explain what is unit. For example, I have to measure a distance or a length of 10 centimeter. How I am going to measure? With the help of a ruler or scale. Okay. So the 10 centimeter, in this the measurement of a quantity like 10 centimeter, then centimeter is the unit. Centimeter, actually the word is centimeter and it is the short form, abbreviated form. Centimeter is the unit and 10 is the number. Okay, so what do we say? That a unit is used as a unit is used as a standard of measurement. Okay, so to find out the dimension or to find out that what is the measurement of any particular quantity, we use units. Now what about ancient time? What people used to, or how they used to measure the things in ancient times? Okay, so in ancient times what people used to do, they used to measure the things with the help of body parts. Okay, with the help of body parts, just like hand span, then foot span, or it could be cubit and pace. Okay, so we are going to discuss all. First of all, hand span, then foot span, then third one is cubit and pace. Let us discuss them one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss about hand span. What do you mean by hand span? What is hand span? See, if you stretch your thumb or your palm like this, the distance between the thumb and this finger, this hole, is called hand span. So what is a hand span? Hand span is the distance measured by a human hand from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger when stretched. Not like this, when completely stretched. Then we say it is a hand span. We call it a hand span. Okay. So where do we use hand span? It is used to measure short lengths. The lengths which are quite short. Okay, hand span is used to measure short lengths. Okay, so even today also, like if we have to measure like 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 hand span. Okay, if I have to find out what is the height of this 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 hand span. Okay, so if I have to measure this from one end to another, one hand span, 2, 3, 4, and not complete fifth one. Okay, so in this way, for shorter distances or shorter lengths, we use hand span. So you might have seen in your house, in your homes also, mother or grandmother, they measure the length of woolen sweater. The woolen sweater is being made by your mother, and then she is going to measure how much length it should be. Okay, so like this. So this is a very common practice in the day-to-day life. Then next is foot span. Foot span. What do you mean by foot span? Foot span is the length between the toes. It is the length between the toes and heel of a foot. Okay, we call it a foot span. So again, for shorter lengths, like on the floor, we have to measure some distance, then with the help of foot span we can measure. Then comes cubit. Cubit. What does cubit means? Cubit is the distance or the length between the elbow and the tip of the longest finger. Okay, middle finger, when palm is opened. So from here till this finger, this length is known as cubit. Okay, so length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length between elbow and the longest or the middle finger of open palm is called cubit. Okay, so again used to measure shorter distances or lengths. Fine. Now the last one, pace. What is pace? See, one natural step. One natural step. Normally, when we move in a normal manner. So whatever is the length of one step, that is known as pace. Okay? One natural step is called pace. In Hindi we say kadam. Okay? So to measure the ground distance, we use pace count. How many pace? One pace, 2, 3, 4. एक कदम, दो कदम, तीन कदम, चार कदम. Okay? Like we say that hardly it is 20 pace. 20 कदम की दूरी पे मेरा घर है. Okay? So 50 कदम की दूरी पे मेरा घर है. So this is how we can tell about the pace count. Okay? So if you will refer your book on page number 144, you are going to find out the pictures on that page. Fine. So what are the normal, the people, those who were in ancient time, they used to measure the the lengths with the help of hand span. First one was hand span, then foot span, then cubit, and the last one is pace. Okay, I hope the things are clear to you. So here we wrap up today's topic.